Tailors won't want you to know this, but you don't have to throw away your favorite jeans just because the zipper splits the button is gone or the waist feels too tight. With 3 simple fixes, you can bring them back to life right at home. Hello everyone, I'm Tracy. Stay with me because the last fix may save the whole pair of jeans. Let's get started. Have you ever had this happen with your favorite pair of jeans? As soon as you pull the zipper up, it gets stuck. The zipper tracks separate and won't close together. Not to mention the button is loose or has fallen off because the pants are too tight. Don't rush to throw them away. You can completely fix each problem yourself right at home. First is this zipper. To fix it, you need to pull the zipper all the way down to its starting position. Then take a bar of soap and gently rub it along both sides of the zipper teeth. The soap works like a light lubricant, helping the zipper slide more smoothly. If the problem is only minor, this step alone may be enough to help the zipper work again. This is the first quick test. However, in this case, the 2 rows of zipper teeth still have not closed together, so we need to fix the zipper slider as well. In many cases, the zipper slider becomes loose after being used for a long time. When the slider is too wide, it can no longer press the 2 rows of zipper teeth together correctly. Now here's the part most people miss. To fix this, use pliers and gently press both sides of the slider. Do not press too hard. The goal is to make the slider fit snugly with the zipper teeth. Just press a little at a time. Then try the zipper again, and look at the result. Now the zipper opens and closes smoothly and securely again without needing to replace it with a new one. Remember to save this method so you can use it for the zippers on your handbags, backpacks, or old damaged pants. Next is this loose button. I guess it could fall off at any time, maybe even while I am out. So I will fix it before anything worse happens. First, use pliers to completely remove the old button and replace it with a homemade button using just a coin and a small piece of fabric. You don't even need to buy a new button for this. First, take a coin and place it in the center of a piece of fabric. Then use a needle and thread to sew a circle around the coin. Once you have finished sewing, gently pull the thread tight so the fabric wraps completely around the entire coin. This will create a sturdy round button. Sew a few more stitches to secure the fabric so the coin does not slip out. Next, place this homemade button in the correct position on the waistband of the jeans, right where the old button was. Then sew the button firmly onto the waistband, making sure it is sewn tightly and securely. After that, slip the button through the buttonhole and check the fit. And that's it. Your jeans now have a new button that is sturdy, secure, and looks quite stylish. Simple, strong, and made from something you already had at home. Everything is pretty good now. However, these pants have not been worn for a long time, and they seem quite tight and no longer comfortable for me. Simple, I can handle this problem. First, lay the pants flat on the table and find the center point at the back of the waistband. There is usually a belt loop in this position, so carefully remove it and keep it aside so you can attach it back later. Next, use tailor's chalk or a marking pen to mark both sides of the spot where you just removed the belt loop, making sure the distance on both sides is even. Use a ruler to draw a straight line down from the waistband. Then use scissors to cut along the marked line. After cutting, the waistband will open up a little, helping create space to widen the pants. To keep the fabric edges from fraying, use a needle and thread to sew an overlock stitch around the area you just cut. The stitching method is very simple. Insert the needle through once, then insert the needle between the two strands of thread just like I am doing. Sewing this way helps keep the thread edges secure and neater. After that, prepare a piece of elastic with a suitable length, place it on the inside of the waistband, and sew both ends of the elastic securely to both sides of the cut area. While sewing, remember to keep the elastic straight, not twisted, and add a few secure stitches at the end. This is what gives the waistband extra stretch. Finally, attach the belt loop you removed at the beginning back in place to cover the repaired area and help the pants look more natural. With just a few simple steps tight, jeans have become stretchy, well-fitting, and much more comfortable. After the repair, the old pair of jeans is almost completely brought back to life. The zipper now closes smoothly and securely, and the teeth no longer split apart like they did at first. The missing button has also been replaced with a homemade button that is both sturdy and quite nice looking. Most importantly, the waistband has been widened and has a slight stretch, so it feels much more comfortable to wear. From a pair of pants that seemed like it had to be thrown away, now you can continue using it every day. And that is how you can fix a pair of jeans that seemed almost unusable right at home. I hope today's tips will help you save more money and learn how to make use of your favorite items again instead of rushing to throw them away. Which fix would save your jeans first, the zipper, the button, or the waistband? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.